So here's a little update. I glued on the fingerboard to the neck. I got some carving to do. I gotta wait for this here to get hard enough. Probably leave it another day. Then I can sand that down smooth. I just ran some more clear epoxy in there. And from this side, you can see the headstock now, the Phoenix, and the layers there. And then I just cut this thing out here, the truss rod cover. So that's sort of how it's going to sit. I got to, cut these things down and sand it and cut the grooves and all that stuff. But that's where I'm at right now with that. And then this is the bridge. You see the bridge here? That's something like a spaceship. I had to run some resin in there too because I cut the slot a little wider and it got too wide on one end, so I had to fill it in. It looks like it soaked up some, but I might have to put some more in there, do something. Anyway, I'll fix it up and that's it.